Baldwin, and we're going to do a short lesson today on negative numbers. For the most part, it's definitely a review. If you are able to, go ahead and print out the notes that are online and fill them out with the lesson. Okay. With negative numbers, it's always helpful to remember the number line. Okay, go ahead and fill it out in your notes. Being able to visualize a number line when you're working with negative numbers really helps you figure out which way you're moving. Are you getting to a higher number or a lower number? So let's go ahead and fill out this number line. And one of the most basic skills we have to do with positive and negative numbers is putting numbers in order from least to greatest. So when we're considering numbers like 13, negative 10, and negative 11, it's really common for people to think that negative 11 is a greater number than negative 10. But if you consider a number line, if we were to plot these points on this number line, we would have negative 11 about here, our negative 10 here, and our 13 over here. So from least to greatest, starting over here in the negatives, we have negative 11, negative 10, and a positive 13. Let's do another one. Now in number 2, we have much higher numbers where you're probably not going to want to draw a number line every single question you do like this. But if you practice the number line and you can visualize it, it helps. So looking at our smallest number, our least number, which one of these negative numbers are going to be furthest left on the number line? Negative 30 or negative 37? Well, negative 37 is going to be further left than negative 30. Then we look at what we have left. 0, 15, and 37. Okay, again, thinking about the number line in number 3, we only have one negative number here. Pay attention to that negative sign. It looks like the largest number, but the negative sign makes it the smallest number. Now, at the bottom of your note handout, there is an assignment for you to practice basics with negative numbers. And you might think that this stuff seems too simple, but practicing your negative numbers early on and keeping them fresh in your mind will really help you prevent yourself from making errors later. So, you're going to go into your IXL, you're going to do integers, v.1 and v.3.